We're delighted to be here in Kuala Lumpur for Deep Orange 5, where the theme is all about improving livability. And we chose Kuala Lumpur because it has a unique set of challenges that are all about improving livability for the citizens here, and a real desire to make a difference and make that improvement. So we knew that with our partners InvestKL, we could really get the right stakeholders here to make sure we fully understood the challenges, make sure that we had different perspectives on how to solve those challenges, and bring new ideas to make sure we had the most innovative solutions to absolutely improve livability in Kuala Lumpur. So Deep Orange has been hugely inspiring. The energy in the room has been fantastic. Seeing different teams work together, challenge each other, share ideas, seeing prototypes come through to really show how we can make a difference, and perhaps not just talk about the theory, but look at really practical, implementable solutions that will improve livability in Kuala Lumpur. It's been awesome.
Hi, I'm Greg Steele. It's been an absolute inspiration to be here at Deep Orange over the last 4 days. The Deep Orange exercise is just so core to now the future of our business, where we're collaborating with partners, ecosystem partners, clients, and ourselves to really design a digital future and solutions to some of the world's biggest problems. I was initially involved with construction or fatalities in the construction industry, and just having a diversity of people and ideas and bringing that together and how digital solutions can help bring those fatalities down was just a wonderful problem to try and solve. So the more and more we do Deep Orange and collaborate around the world, I think our aim to improve the quality of life certainly is at the forefront of the whole Deep Orange experience. Thank you.
In 2010 as well.
My trusty co-facilitator.
Maybe they can actually go and invest
I have a common thread
to try and persuade the judge.